Hey Potters, I am gonna show you today some super simple surface treatments. Whew, it's kind of tough to say. Okay, another technique that I'm gonna show you is how to use Engobe. This is Amico's Engobes. This one comes in white. We have white, black, and blue and green. You'll just have to check out to see what we have in the cabinet. And then we have these little tools here. And these will have different attachments. So here's our different attachments. You take this red bulb and you squeeze it, and then you just soak up the material. Like so. Have a paper towel or something nearby that you can wipe this off. So once you've wiped that off, you're gonna put this piece in that hole. And then these tips often get kind of clogged, so you need to make sure that it's not clogged. And then I like to find a piece of paper that I can practice on. It can just be a paper towel or whatever, and just kind of get the hang of it. So you gently squeeze it, and you can practice making lines, practice making dots, whatever your piece requires, okay? So how I like to describe this is like puffy paint for clay. So it's leather hard, there's still some moisture left. I'm just gonna start making dots. What this does is once it's fired, it still remains like puffy paint. So you have this really cool texture for your piece. And it does some really neat things with the glazes, because the glaze kind of runs in between, and then you have these peaks of the engobe. So there you have it. It's kind of like decorating a cake or decorating cookies. Another thing that you can do too is take a brush and get some different textures. So this technique, you use Engobe, and it's called slip trailing.